Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make homemade mango pickle. This easy method will guide you through creating a delicious, tangy condiment perfect for any meal. First, gather about 1 kilogram of fresh, firm green mangoes. Next, prepare your essential spices such as mustard seeds, fenugreek, and turmeric powder. It is crucial to ensure all your equipment, especially jars and utensils, are perfectly clean and completely dry to prevent any spoilage and ensure a long shelf life for your pickle. Now let's prepare those lovely mangoes. Begin by washing them thoroughly and then drying them completely. Any moisture can ruin your pickle. Once dry, cut the mangoes into small, uniform pieces, aiming for about 1-inch cubes. In a large bowl, mix these mango pieces with 2 tablespoons of salt and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Let this mixture sit for approximately 4 to 6 hours, allowing the mangoes to release their excess water, which you will then drain away. Next, we'll create our aromatic spice blend. Lightly roast 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds and 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds until fragrant. Grind these roasted spices, then combine them with 1 tablespoon of red chili powder and 1 teaspoon of asafoetida. For the oil, heat 250 milliliters of mustard oil in a pan until it just begins to smoke. This process helps remove its pungent raw flavor. Crucially, allow the oil to cool completely before you mix it with your prepared spices. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. In a large, clean bowl, combine your drained mango pieces, the aromatic spice blend, and the completely cooled mustard oil. Mix everything thoroughly, ensuring every single mango piece is beautifully coated with the spices and oil. Carefully transfer this mixture into a clean, sterilized glass jar with a tight-fitting lid. Store your homemade mango pickle in a cool, dark place for at least 5 to 7 days to allow the flavors to meld before you enjoy it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.